Hey and welcome back to Spiral Fashion after a short break. My name is Aniela and today we're gonna continue sewing for men. As you see, today we're gonna sew short sleeve t-shirt. This t-shirt is quite simple to sew, but I would not recommend this for beginners, but for, let's say, beginner advanced because of the neckband. This can be quite tricky for beginner sewer. Overall, it's a very easy t-shirt to sew. And it will be even more easier to sew with my free PDF pattern that you can find on my site spiralfashion.com. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and let's begin the fun! It's time to cut pattern elements. Cut front 1 unfold, back 1 unfold, sleeves 2 unfold, and neckband. Lay flat, back pattern, right side up, and with right sides together, pin front pattern to the back pattern with right sides facing to each other. Using pins, clips, pin on sides and shoulder seams. Sew with zigzag or overlock. Press the seam flat. Now it's time to sew sleeve. Now fold sleeves with right sides together and pin on side. Then sew with straight stitch or overlock. And sleeves are almost ready. Turn sleeves right side out. As you see, seams are now hidden inside. And now it's time to pin sleeve to your t-shirt armhole. Start from matching from side seams. To pin, you can use pins or clips. And sew all the way around with zigzag stitch or overlock. And it's ready. Now time to turn your t-shirt right side out. As you see, the t-shirt is almost ready. We just need to finish sleeve hem and t-shirt hem, and of course add neckband. With right sides together, fold neckband and sew. Sometimes to make sewing easier, I top stitch all the way around neckband for easier sewing using zigzag stitch or other stretchy stitch. Now it's time to sew the neckband. Pin the neckband with right sides together to the neckline and sew with zigzag or overlock stitch. Press the neckband with an iron to give it a clean, neat finish. Now it's time for final steps. We're gonna fold and pin our t-shirt's bottom. And sleeve hems too, exactly the same way. You can pin it with clips or with pins like me. As you see, sleeve hems and bottom of the t-shirt is pinned. It's time for sewing. You can sew with zigzag stitch or sew it with twin needle. And we have finished sewing, yay! As you see, my brother is very happy with having this new part of his wardrobe. And I'm happy that he's like it. If you like it too, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you soon!